I am Jeff Hansen, CTO of Alta Labs. I am at the residences at the Olympic Park here up in Park City, Utah. We actually had talked with the residents before we started working on the project up here, just to get kind of a feeling for how the Wi-Fi was going. Yeah, not so many good reviews, and so we wanted to come in and just sweep in and figure everything out that was wrong with the setup here. We have installed 30 AP6 Pro units. It took us a couple hours to take out the old access points and install the new access points.
Like towards like this way and this way. Yep. That's why I like using single game boxes, so they're a little bit recessed. It kind of pulls it right flush.
And so we came in, and as we installed it, it took me like 15 minutes to set things up. We have our multi-window technology in the browser and the web UI that just makes it really quick and easy to change all the channels so that they're on non-interfering channels across the board.
Now I'm just going to do a firmware update on it.
Oh, cool.
Took it, it's ready, it's happy, it's broadcasting, it's online. So
I love hearing that. That's
yeah.
awesome.
So yeah, we've just installed, but we're really super excited. Already feeling a lot better about the speeds and the performance here.